Hello friends, as you all know that for a long lasting or great path, great start one has to always begin with small steps. I, Varsha Sanjay Pangale, pursuing my final year B Pharmacy graduation from Pravara College of Pharmacy, Nasik. Like to personally thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to showing my gratitude towards the Pacific Institute of Pharmaceutical Management and also founder of the Institute of Miss Vandana ma'am and Madhvi ma'am. Ma'am, for starting this very much needed industrial technical courses in quality assurance and regulatory affairs, as we are all got stuck in unexpected situation of COVID and pandemic lockdown last year, which was really scary and uncertain about our future, like what to do without classes and colleges, just staying at home. Just then at the same time I got to know about the PIPM Institute and its unique initiative about guiding the pharmacy and BSc and MSc student on the technical and documentation on practices carried out in quality assurance and regulatory affairs, which could actually bridge a gap between knowledge of the student and its practical application based on the industrial requirement. I was lucky to enough attend one of their online webinar connected by both Miss Vandana ma'am and Madhvi ma'am and learning the features about it. It was really fascinated to join the course. It was 3 months online course, fun learning online course which actually helped me manage both my college as well as course timing. Towards the end of the course, I already had the knowledge about the practices carried out in quality assurance and regulatory affairs, theoretical as well as practical. I learned to fill up different types of forms like change control, SOP, many more. Like now, I feel confident about the working and practices carried out in quality assurance and regulatory affairs department. The course has no doubt given me something new and unique, which will definitely help me stand out from my BPharm students who have not given a chance for themselves. I hereby requested to all my BPharm, MPharm, BSc, MSc friends to at least go through once a time this very much needed course. I would like to once again thank you to the PIPM Institute along with the Miss Vandana ma'am and Madhvi ma'am for their initiative efforts. Thank you.